Dito na tayo sa may night market ng Mongkok. Ladies Market, it's called. So, tapos na tayo sa Nong Ping Village and Cable Car. Dito tayo dumiretso ngayon sa Mongkok. Late na tayong natapos sa Nong Ping 360. Medyo hapon na, so late na tayong dumating dito sa Mongkok. But before we explore, picture-picture muna tayo sa MTR. So, nandito na tayo sa Mongkok. Hanapin natin yung Ladies Market. Lipat tayo dito sa may Nathan Road banda. Here are the double-decker buses. Tayo sa Mongkok. Siyempre, meron ditong Jollibee sa Mongkok. Yun. Check lang natin kung ano yung mga sinaserve nilang pagkain. So ito meron sa Jollibee Mongkok. May mga chicken din. Ayan. Gusto namin sana kumain para i-try yung Jollibee dito. However, we have already planned to have dinner somewhere in Mongkok, kaya skip muna tayo dito. Dito tayo ngayon sa Nathan Road, and it's considered the most energetic, chaotic, and densely packed neighborhood on earth. Quick trivia, Mongkok used to hold the Guinness World Records as the most densely populated spot on the planet. Meron silang about 130,000 people into a single square kilometer. Imagine that. And yes, we are here. So we're walking through Nathan Road, then tatawid tayo dyan papunta sa Ladies Market. Madami actually pwedeng bisitahin dito, like yung Sneakers Street and yung Ladies Market, pero we decided to go to the Ladies Market instead para mamili ng mga pasalubong. Dito na tayo sa may night market ng Mongkok. Ladies Market, it's called. Mga locals na nagtitinda, pero some of them knows Tagalog. You can definitely get a discount or ask for last price. Maraming tinda dito, mga RTW, mga bags, and mga souvenirs. I love Hong Kong shirts, mga keychain, ref magnets. Mukhang masarap yung Peking duck nila. We'll try that. After ng pag-ikot namin sa Ladies Market, nakaramdam na kami ng gutom, kaya dito na lang kami kumain sa restaurant na to.
Malambot man.
So ito yung dinner namin. Tofu. Ito yung roast duck. And stir-fry noodles. Ito stir-fry na gulay. And steamed rice. It's called Mei Hin Roast Goose Restaurant. Siyempre, if you're going to Hong Kong, sobrang must try itong roasted goose meat nilang, sobrang tender. Ayan, naubos namin yung isang half goose. Ito po yung bill namin, 512 Hong Kong dollars for everything we ate today. Ayan na yung mga roast goose nila. Sarap. Roast goose. Ito yung Ladies Market. Sobrang pagod na kami mga oras na to, and we felt like we didn't have much time to go shopping, so we decided to go home na lang and go back here. Anyway, we still have a couple of days left. Babalikan na lang namin yung mga napili naming mga items para din para pang pasalubong. Alright, we made it to our hotel here in Silka. So that wraps up our day 2 here in Hong Kong. Well, technically it's our day 1 because yesterday we were in Macau. So tomorrow, watch out, we will be in Disneyland. Good night!